Your broke days are over the moment you declare it. Declare it today. Speak it every day. I want you to say it. If you're broke, frustrated, and wondering when things will change, this story and the underlying message is for you. Best friends Tiffany and Lisa were sick and tired of being broke. Ever since grade school, they dreamed big. By 30, they were convinced they'd be living the life. But here they were, both almost 40, still living at home with their parents, still feeling stuck. One day, Tiffany's boss shared something that changed her entire perspective. He told her that he hadn't become wealthy until he stopped saying, "I'm broke." His mentor had told him that every time he spoke those words, he was cursing his own life. Tiffany was so inspired that she rushed to tell Lisa. For 2 years, they spoke only positive things over their lives. They began to acquire more knowledge and just enjoy life no matter their current situation. But one day, Lisa lost her patience. She said, "We're 40, still living at home, and I'm still broke." Tiffany tried to remind her, "Don't put that curse back on yourself. Hang in there." But Lisa was over it. Tiffany asked if Lisa was still going to the seminar they had saved up for. Lisa declined and went on a shopping spree instead. The next week, Tiffany went to the seminar alone. And get this, everyone who attended left with a check for $100,000 and free ad credits to help them start their businesses. All Lisa had to do was hold on for one more week. Now I know so many of us can relate to Lisa. When we're in a tough situation, it's hard not to get discouraged. But this is why we absolutely have to watch what comes out of our mouths and have patience. Even when life feels like it's falling apart, we need to speak positively about ourselves and about our future. The hard truth is that things don't always happen when we want them to, but when they do finally happen, it'll be the right time. I'm currently reading The Power of I Am by Joel Osteen, and it's really opened my eyes to how much power our words hold. Osteen talks about how we curse ourselves without even realizing it by saying things like, "Things never go my way," or "I'm always broke." Here's the key. Even if you think it, don't speak it, because once you speak it, you give it life. One of my favorite quotes from Osteen says, "You will produce what you say." If you want to know what you will be like 5 years from now, just listen to what you are saying about yourself. With our words, we can either bless our futures or curse our futures. So stop saying things like, "I can't afford that, I'm broke." Instead, try saying, "That's not a priority for me because I'm getting out of debt." Do you see the difference? It's all about shifting your mindset and your language. Speak in terms of where you want to be and not where you currently are. Yes, I know it's not just positive words that'll get you where you need to be. It's going to take more than that. Discipline, effort, consistency, but right now, don't worry about that. The first step is changing how you speak about yourself and your situation. It might take time, maybe even years, to see the tree grow from the seed that you're planting right now. But in the meantime, you have to watch your mouth. Don't be like Lisa, who gave up and cursed her future just because it seemed like it was taking too long. Your broke days are over the moment you declare it. Declare it today. Speak it every day. I want you to say it with me. I will make the money I want to make. I am financially free. Say it, believe it, and keep speaking it into existence. You may not see the change right away, but trust me, it's coming. And when it does, it'll be the perfect time. Stop giving life to negativity and start declaring your blessings. Let's continue to speak life and grow together as a community. If you're ready to leave broke behind, watch this next video on the secret to making money. Remember, your words shape your future. Speak wisely and see your blessings unfold.